SUV can be. That's a look at 10 electric cars set to define 2025. From affordable options like the Tesla Model 2 and Chevy Equinox EV to luxury and adventure with Lucid Gravity and Rivian R2, there's something for everyone. The EV market is finally offering real choice for every type of driver. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more EV news and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. The Chevrolet Equinox EV is GM's affordable mass-market electric SUV. Starting around $35,000, it's designed to compete with both EVs and gas SUVs. The sleek modern design stands out, with options like a two-tone roof and flush door handles, 2 battery sizes, FWD or AWD, and up to 319 miles of range give buyers flexibility. Inside, a 17.7-inch infotainment screen and 11-inch digital cluster bring high-tech vibes. The flat floor means spacious seating and cargo room, perfect for families. If Chevy delivers on price and features, the Equinox EV could be a game-changer for mainstream EV adoption. The Polestar 4 is a bold SUV coupe with a twist. No rear window. Instead, a rear camera feeds a digital mirror, giving a wider, clearer view and allowing for a full-length glass roof. The design is low, sleek and aerodynamic with up to 544 horsepower and 0-60 in 3.8 seconds for the dual-motor version. A single-motor option targets over 300 miles of range. The minimalist interior uses sustainable materials and features a 15.4-inch Google-based infotainment system. Advanced driver assistance and safety tech come standard. The Polestar 4 is for those who want standout design, performance, and a glimpse of the future.